I need that time I see your point.
Is a heart of a woman. Yeah. Is a heart of a
What's up, y'all? It's Chanel XO, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the sweet life of leveling up your life, your health care, your self-care, your beauty, your fashion, your style, and everything worthwhile, child. Alright, so today I am going to be doing this wig review. I picked this up from my local beauty supply store for $15.98, y'all. So this is the Mayde Beauty Refined HD Lace Front, and it says glueless, but we gonna see. And this is called JENA, and I got her in a 1B. So we finna see. We finna see if this thing is really glueless, because you know sometimes when they say it's glueless, you really still need some glue. Alright, so you know, stock card or whatever. And Mayde, that's a really nice collection. I've had a couple of Mayde wigs. Okay, so it comes with the net. Go on, cut this off. Alright, comes with, you know, all the works on the inside. And so I had me a wig cap. I bought me a new wig cap. I don't know where the grew legs and walk to, so I'm gonna have to throw this old one on for now. Fresh braids down, yeah. Throw this cap on. I was gonna do a voiceover, y'all, but I was like, you know what? It really be a vibe when I'm talking, you know. I need to slick these edges down. That's what I need to do. Okay. So anyway, I ain't got my spray stuff to tint it, but I'm just gonna go and try her on right quick. Oh, cap construction, my bad. So we got a strap in the back, adjustable strap. It has two adjustable straps back here, a comb in the nape, and two combs on each side. And it's a bust down middle. And you know how I feel. If you can see my finger, we in the game. I ain't gotta do that much plucking. You know, see my finger? You don't see my finger? You see my finger? You don't see my finger. Alright. So put it on like so. It might be glueless because it's a little snuggy snug, unless it's just my braids just bigger and not smaller. Oh, definitely gonna have to it's cute, y'all.
Nope. Didn't think so.
I mean, the luster on it, it's a little shine, but you know, I can ooh. And then as far as these baby hairs, y'all, I don't know. I might just slide that right on back up. And then how it's giving, like, I like how this side is like flatter over here. And then I also like how this is humped. So I just feel like if this one was humped up like this one, it'll be fine. And if this one was flat like this one, it'll be fine. But I think I'm going to go ahead and flatten it down so it can be even, y'all. And I may have to brush through it with some powder or something. So back. What is giving? What is giving? What is giving? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook these what am I gonna hook up? I might still use these though. What am I looking for, y'all? My straighteners. Okay, here they go. Plug these up. I probably should just blow dry it down and see if it lays down. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this out. See if it's really glueless. Yeah, I ain't cutting no laces. Then I got to make sure it ain't just straight across. You know what? Before I even cut it all the way off, let me go get my powder. Hold on. All right, so I'm put my press powder in there. So they can just go and be around. Y'all, my hand's so ashy. Then I got to put me on some press-on nails. So we got this lace cut off, and we're gonna put it back on. And we're gonna see. Y'all, I think this baby is really glueless. Even though I would just hate if the wind blow, you know what I'm saying? It blow my hair back and then you see all it. You know what I'm saying? Like, but then it's like I wanna spray it down. But at the same time, I ain't going nowhere, you know. Make sure it's in the middle, because your girl don't want to settle. Hey?
Didn't think so.
All right. And then I would also assume that whoever wants to use the baby hairs could glue it down, you know. So, what I'm going to do is spray some of my holding spray up here and kind of go ahead and flatten it down. I ain't got my wax stick. Okay, see that look better already. And then I kind of want to, it's like I do want to spray it, but then again, I don't. I really don't. Because I want to take this off tonight. But it really, all it needs is one spray, to be honest. But I don't feel like plugging up my blow dryer. They still got all down here on my neck, y'all. Woo! Ain't stuck all the way, but it'll do. It'll do. I ain't too much worried about this side. So anyway, I'm gonna just spray this little holy spray right here. And we're gonna kind of just do that like that. Put my little Humpty Dumps up there. Do the other side. Woo. Got this forehead, y'all. Okay. And then I'm going to put some powder in the middle. Wait, I need to. Yeah, I'm really in a rush, so. Hold up. Alright, let's go and put this powder in the middle.
I thrown you off.
In the middle.
Didn't think so.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have a play about the choke. I was at a loss of words first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. You're looking for in the daytime.
I'm really surprised that I ain't have to do nothing to this part.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me? If
Besides, put the powder in the middle.
Give me one change. What's the problem? I don't see the ring on your hand. I'll be the first to admit. I'm curious about you. You seem so innocent.
you wanna get in my world, get lost in it.
Okay.
Time to find out what's up for a minute.
All right, and so now I'm gonna take a little of my body powder. I'm just gonna squirt it and then put a little in my hand. And do like that. Kind of take that shine out of it. But at the same time, I don't want to be walking around here with no white heads. So I'm gonna give me a little, ooh, that's a little too much. Okay. So then we gonna put our earrings on. Cause what's the look without earrings, okay? What's the look without earrings? Oh baby, you got to lay down. You got to lay down. See, y'all, I told y'all, when I talk in the videos, it be a whole vibe. If I do a voiceover, I mean, it's still gonna be a vibe, but it's like, girl, I want to see you in motion. Like I want to hear you. You know what I'm saying? So this is the final look. Again, this is JENA by Mayde. This is my left side, the right side of the wig. This is the left side of the wig. And then let me show y'all the back again. And it's the back. And what that is on my shirt. See, I like this. Could be a little more even, but you know, it's cool to me. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this baby like especially since she glueless and I ain't have to use no type of glue. I mean, I did use like a little squirt of spray, so I would still give her like a 8.5 because she's like an everyday wig. You know, you can do a lot in her. If you want to throw on you a little cute hat, you can. And you know, she's moving because in 2025, we ain't arguing with nobody who ain't got no body in their hair, okay? It can be synthetic, it's human, whatever. If you ain't got no, see, I just want to tell people no. No. Nope. Y'all, don't pay me no bad. Don't pay me no bad. But anyway, 8.5. I say go get her. Again, this is the stock card. I'm gonna go back to that hair store and see if I can find me another one in a different color, because y'all, it's getting hot, it's springtime, and your girl love her a good bob. And so I gotta go. I'm running out of time. If you get her, comment down below, let me know how you like her. I think I want to get her in blonde or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more hair videos, you know, more wig videos, more nail videos, motivational videos, whatever you want to see. Comment down below and let me know. Again, this is Chanel XO, and I gotta go. See you next video, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.